Is a 55-plus community right for you? Are you thinking about downsizing and considering a 55-plus community? You might have heard about these unique neighborhoods and wondered if they'd be the right fit for you. Today, let's explore what 55-plus communities are all about and why they could be a great option for your next move. A 55-plus community, also known as an active adult or lifestyle community, is designed specifically for people over the age of 55. These communities are vibrant and filled with like-minded individuals in a similar stage of life. U.S. News describes them as places that cater to the needs and preferences of adults over 55 who are looking to downsize while maintaining their independence. If you're interested in downsizing, you'll find that the number of available homes in these communities has increased by over 50% compared to last year. This means there are more options to find the perfect home that fits your needs and lifestyle. But that's not all. Here are some additional benefits of living in a 55-plus community. Lower maintenance living. Forget about lawn mowing or home repairs. These communities often handle all of that for you. On-site amenities. Enjoy amenities like fitness centers, spas, libraries, and arts and crafts studios that make it easy to stay active and engaged. Like-minded neighbors. Meet new friends and enjoy a close-knit community with organized clubs, outings, and social events. Accessible floor plans. Many homes offer first-floor living, ample storage, and modern designs that cater to your needs during this stage of life. If this sounds like what you've been looking for, why not explore the 55-plus communities in our area? There's a good chance you'll find the perfect home that meets all your needs. For more information, reach out for a no-obligation consultation to discuss your options. My contact information is below.